Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Fatih Syairah binti Ahmad Mushidi. My matrix number is 262631. I will present the answers of question 6 from the comprehensive case 1. The first question is to identify the problem faced by Atif with regard to Morrison Berhad. In reviewing Morrison Berhad's annual report, Atif noticed that the audited Morrison Berhad financial statements showed an increase in total profit over the last 3 years. However, in an attorney letter dated January 10, 2018, it was reported that Morrison Berhad had been involved in litigation case since late 2017 as a result of infringement in contract with its suppliers. This information was not presented in the financial statement of the company. Atif argued that the litigation case should be disclosed in the financial statement under liability because attorneys believe that the company's chances of losing the case are very high, and Morrison Berhad was estimated that it would pay a loss of lawsuit of 1.6 million ringgit in early 2019. However, Atif was uncertain with her decision because the conceptual framework had changed the definition of liability recently and feels that no future liability arises from the litigation case. The second question is to analyze the problem experienced by Atif by referring the conceptual framework for financial reporting. Under the 2010 conceptual framework, liability was defined as a present obligation of the entity arising from past events, the settlement of which is expected to result in an outflow from the entity of resources embodying economic benefits. However, in the revised conceptual framework, liability is now defined as a present obligation of the entity to transfer an economic resource as a result of past events. In the Morrison Berhad litigation case, even though the case is still pending, the lawyer has estimated that the chances of losing in this case are high and likely to pay a loss of 1.6 million ringgit. Thus, the loss of the litigation case will be a liability to Morrison Berhad, and according to the latest definition of liability, the cost of the litigation case must be disclosed in the financial statements. The third question is to briefly explain how Atif should address the above issue. Atif must deal with this litigation case under the full disclosure principle. The full disclosure principle is a concept that requires a business to report all necessary information about their financial statements and other relevant information to any person who are accustomed to reading this information. The full disclosure principle ensures that the readers and users of a business financial information are not misled by any lack of information. This way will assure stakeholders such as creditors and investors that they are aware of any relevant information and are fully informed about the company when making business decisions about the company. The purpose of this principle is to help increase transparency in the financial markets and to limit opportunities for potentially fraudulent activities. Companies often face court demand from customers, suppliers, and competitors. However, the management chose not to mention such a thing in the financial statement as it would affect the performance of the company. If management choose not to disclose it, external users are unlikely to know what is appropriate and the negative judgment that the company may face. Therefore, the principle of full disclosure requires management to disclose in the notes any negative solution that may occur in the near future. Investors and creditors need to know about Morrison Berhad's litigation case, as it is likely that the company will lose the case in early 2019. The company needs to disclose information about this litigation as a contingent liability, as it is a liability that may be incurred by the entity depending on the outcome of the uncertain future event. It is still uncertain whether the company will win or lose the case once the financial statement have been prepared. Although financial statement notes are not required, they are useful for readers to know about the state of the company. Once users of the financial statement have posted this information, they will understand what the entity's contingent liability is. A company may be in the middle of a high-value court process. If the court decides against it, it can have a huge financial impact. Details of legal matters need to be disclosed in the financial statements. Then, ATIF must disclose the loss of lawsuit of 1.6 million ringgit that lawyer has been estimated in the financial statements. Thank you.